Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can speed up audio without changing the pitch in CapCut application. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my CapCut application and this is my project in CapCut. And as you can see, I have imported my audio to this CapCut project. And we're going to speed up this audio without changing the pitch. So first of all guys, we can click on the audio. Then we can click on the audio again, and you have to scroll all the way to the right until you find the speed option. And for instance, I'm going to make it 2 times faster. Okay, and this is the result. As you can see that the pitch doesn't change if you don't want to change the pitch, so you don't need to click on this keep pitch option. And I'm going to show you the difference. If I click on the skip pitch option, so the pitch will change like this. And if you don't want to change the pitch, don't click on the skip pitch option because the pitch will change if you click on this feature. Alright guys, and that's how we can speed up audio without changing the pitch in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.